tiny or tall.
It don't matter if you're big or small.
If you wanna have fun, don't matter at all.
You got it, Big.
Why, thank you, Small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice!
If you wanna have fun, don't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Yeah! Hey, Big! Big! Wake up!
Huh? Oh, Small. I feel terrible. Oh, my head's achy. My throat is sore. And my nose feels like I'm gonna...
What? What? I got the odd part, but what's after that?
Oh,
Gesundheit.
I have a cold. I think I need a nurse. But who should I ask? Tweeba? No. Oh, she's too small. It'd take her all day just to get here.
Ooh, what about me? I could be a nurse.
And the frogs, they're too noisy.
Woo, woo, Big, I'm not noisy. Over here. Attention, Big, Small can be your nurse. He's not busy or loud at all.
Oh, wait. What about you, Small?
Big.
Can you think of anyone who'd be a good nurse?
Can you tell him? Because he is not listening to me.
Small, you could be my nurse.
Yes! Thank you! Woohoo! I'm the nurse! Yeah! What does that mean exactly?
It means you take care of me and do whatever I want.
Ooh, that sounds like work.
It is work. That's why I can't just ask anyone. So let's see. I think I would like some lemonade.
And you want me to get it?
Yep.
A big glass of lemonade? All by myself? All the way from the kitchen? All the way here?
That's right.
All right, I'm tired already. Okay, lemonade coming up, Big.
Whoa. Oh, Small!
What?
And I need exactly 2 ice cubes and a really long straw.
Okay, Big,
Okay,
here we
yeah,
go.
Easy
One
there.
lemonade
Take
with
it
one
easy.
ice cube.
Watch out for that.
What?
Yeah, watch out.
What
Careful,
are you
girl, you're
talking
gonna
about?
spill it.
Oops.
You know, I wrote a song about how to be a perfect nurse. Wanna hear it?
Not really.
I'm aching and shaking, I'm feeling so bad. But Small is the best nurse that I've ever had. He's caring, he's sharing, he's such a great nurse. It's really quite tempting to start feeling worse. My hot brown needs mopping, he's right in the case. He's back in 2 seconds and dabbing my face. He's caring, he's sharing, he's such a great nurse. It's really quite tempting to start feeling worse. I'm sneezing like crazy and my throat is so sore. But Small is my hero, can I ask for more? He's caring, he's sharing, he's such a great nurse. It's really quite tempting to start feeling worse. A story's what I need, don't give me that look. Just sit down beside me and read from this book.
Once upon a time. Blah, 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 etc. And they lived happily ever after.
What? Aw, you're not done. You can't be done.
Well, I read the beginning and the end. What more do you want?
The rest of it. Aw, it's only 97 pages. Is that too much to ask when you're sick?
I'm tired, Big. It's hard being a nurse.
Well, you should have thought of that before. Oh, go get me a handkerchief.
No, sorry, kid. I'm taking a break.
But I need it now, Small. I think I'm gonna...
Sneeze? Are you gonna sneeze? No!
Try the drawer. No, the other drawer. Okay. Did you find anything?
Blue, I can't see anything. Okay, what does it look like?
It's pink. It's a very special pink handkerchief.
Pink. This is pink. Does it have polka dots?
No, not the one with polka dots. I can't blow my nose at the one with polka dots.
Oh, what about this one? What about this one?
That's turquoise.
Okay,
We don't have much time.
What about this one?
No, that's peach.
What's the difference?
There's a world of difference, but I don't have time to explain.
I got it.
That's it. Oh, sorry.
You sneezed on me. I nurse you when you're sick, and that's how you repay me, Big.
Nurse me? You didn't nurse me, Small.
What?
You're probably a live chicken, and then you wiped my face with a mop, and you didn't read the story.
Well, that's what nurses do, Big.
Nurses who aren't very good at nursing, maybe.
What is going on? Big just blew his nose on me.
I couldn't help it. I have a cold.
Oh, you have a cold? Oh, I'm sorry, Big. Oh, you know what? Do you want something to eat, like ice cream? Yeah, that'd be nice. I'm a super excellent nurse, you know.
I would love some ice cream.
Okay.
Thanks, Ruby.
Okay. And the singing koala lived happily ever after. The end.
That was a great story, Ruby. You read it beautifully.
I read it beautifully too, you know. I just skipped the boring parts.
Hey, you didn't finish your ice cream.
Oh, yeah. I will.
How was I supposed to know that you wanted ice cream? You asked for lemonade.
Now just remember, ring this bell if you need me.
Thanks, Ruby. You're the best nurse I ever had.
I know. Bye.
I think you should know that I'm going away. Far, far away.
What? Why, Small?
Because you don't need me. You have Ruby. She's the best nurse you ever had, remember? Now I'm going someplace where they appreciate me. And somewhere where they play tennis. Now get in there. So bye. Don't forget to write. Oh!
Are you okay?
I smashed my foot in my suitcase. Oh, I can't walk. It's an owl. It's an Allosaurus. Ooh. But don't worry. I can hop to wherever I'm going.
But Small, your toe hurts. You need a nurse.
Well, now that you mention it, it is kind of hurty. Ooh.
Small,
Oh.
come here.
Ouch.
Okay, there.
Hey, Big, you know what? It was just one toe.
Well, just to be safe, I better bandage everything. Okay.
You know what, Big? You're a pretty good nurse.
Aw, thanks, Small. I just tuck you in there.
Okay.
Oh, wait, might need a bit more there.
Oh,
Okay,
oh,
there,
ooh.
hold on.
Hey, ooh.
And perfect. Ice cream. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know what there, Big? I was just thinking, you're kind of a terrible patient.
Oh, yeah? Well, you're a great patient and a terrible nurse. You're doing things backwards, I guess.
Hey, I know. From now on, only I will get sick, and only you will be the nurse. Deal?
Deal. There's one last thing you can do for me, though, Small.
Oh, sure. What?
I'm gonna sneeze, and I need you to find my handkerchief.
No. Big. I can't move. Hey, there's a bell. Ring the bell. Oh,
Quickly,
Ruby. Help, Ruby. Go for help. Go for help. Go. Good boy.